So a warm welcome to the talk show segment of this event where I'll be hosting interviews with some interesting Crowd1 profiles. Now, for today's event, over 20 of Crowd1 presidents from around the world have flown in to share their expertise with us, and I have 3 of them with me right now. So a warm welcome, and I'll start with you, Magnus Larsson, and you received your ambassador title today.
Yes, finally.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And then we have the beautiful Rima Metze-Hamadi. Did I say that right?
That's right.
Et quelle belle robe. Look at that beautiful dress.
Thank you.
And then also Briand Letier. Bienvenue, Briand.
Merci.
And Briand, you're also one of the youngest Crowd1 presidents. Now, I'm going to try, because we're going to do this interview in English, but I might actually address a question in French to Briand. But if we start off with just, you're at the position of president title and ambassador title. Tell us a bit briefly about the journey from starting at Crowd1 and then landing on the president title. If I start with you, Liane. The journey for the president title.
So, when you wake up early in the morning, you know that you have a lot of duties that you need to do, because you set up your diary one day before. So every day you have duties, you have things to do. You manage a lot, teams, organizing Zoom, daily Zoom, training also for the new members. So it's a lot of administration stuff also to do. And then support them for any event they do. This is the job of a president.
Yeah, exactly.
We are 24 hours on the phone. Yes.
24 hours on the phone.
Almost.
Almost.
I mean, yes.
And then Magnus, what about you on the ambassador role? How has sort of the road been from start to ambassador role?
Well, from my experience, it's so easy right now because I have the best team in the world working with me. Of course, these 2 here, it's a proof of that, and a lot of other people. But it's all about working with passion. Passion and support people, help people, make people grow and reach their goal and targets, and you will be next rank yourself. So that is more of the work, and we have Zoom meetings, we have everything to communicate with people, and communication is very important skills as well. And but passion for helping people and trust the company and the products. That's how it is.
Passion is key. Briand, racontez-moi, comment tu démarrais Crowd1 et est arrivé au statut de président?
Alors, j'ai démarré Crowd1 l'année dernière, et donc j'ai mis 8 mois pour atteindre mon statut de président en étoile. Donc on a travaillé énormément, c'est vraiment un très très gros travail. On a mis des Zooms en place, des présentations, de la formation, donc on a formé nos équipes. Et en 8 mois de travail, on a pu atteindre cette position. On a pu aider énormément de personnes à changer de qualité de vie. Mais aussi, il y a 3 choses qui m'ont beaucoup aidé, que j'ai pu retenir de toute cette expérience. C'est 3 mots, dont être, faire et avoir. Donc on apprend, on se forme, on investit en nous, bien évidemment. Ensuite, on met en pratique, on met en pratique ce qu'on a appris. Ensuite, on récolte le fruit de notre travail, tout simplement. Et c'est quelque chose c'est ce message qu'on passe aux équipes aussi, c'est que 80% de nos résultats résident dans la formation. Et bien sûr, 20% dans l'action. Et bien sûr, il faut travailler dur pour avoir ces résultats. Donc voilà comment j'ai pu atteindre mon statut de président.
20% d'action. Ça, c'est bon. Ryan, if I ask you, let's talk a bit about the products that you work with. Could you share with us what products are you working with and how is that going, if I start with you?
Yeah, I had experience with LifeTrans, famous product in our platform. I used almost twice per month, and I like it because we get it is a hotel, and we can get a good price, best price. It can go up to 90% of discount with a membership, platinum membership, and very easy to use. When you log in on your platform, you just need to click and they transfer to you to the website. Easy to use, location, dates, and you can also book for someone else. That is something very fantastic. If your neighbor needed to travel for the next weekend, you can book for him and get commission also as well. That's nice.
Making it easy.
Yeah, it's easy.
Facebook Crowd One, yeah.
Yeah, they have a good service for support also for every thing about visa and passport formality. So they reply very quickly. It's a really, really good contract for our platform.
And Magnus, can you share another product?
Well, I tried LifeTrans myself, and it's actually perfect. As a networker, what you do is you travel, you book hotels, you do everything. So it's a perfect tool for us as well as a product. And also the magazine is a perfect tool. Also, when you're meeting people, you can show it's a real magazine. And of course, one of the coolest products is coming. So we are looking really forward for that one.
Definitely. Brian, dis-moi, le success formula pour être présidente, c'est quoi pour toi?
Le succès pour être président, pour moi, c'est déjà d'y croire déjà qu'on peut être président, et bien sûr travailler en conséquence. C'est-à-dire qu'on a des rêves, des objectifs, des buts, mais pour les atteindre, il faut mettre des actions en place à l'équivalent de ce que l'on souhaite, tout simplement. Donc pour moi, tout part de l'intérieur pour le créer, bien évidemment, à l'extérieur. Donc encore une fois, de mettre en pratique ce que l'on a appris pour pouvoir atteindre nos buts, nos rêves, nos objectifs. Encore une fois, pour moi, personne ne fait Crowd One que pour faire Crowd One. On le fait tous pour nos propres buts et rêves personnels. Et donc, une fois qu'on a trouvé notre pourquoi, on est motivé et on a envie encore d'avancer et d'atteindre ces objectifs. Et aussi, c'est lorsqu'on applique tout ça, on enseigne à nos membres dans l'exemple. Et donc, les gens, ils appliquent également cette même stratégie. Ils découvrent leurs objectifs et ils ont juste à passer à l'action pour pouvoir les atteindre, tout simplement.
Passions, dreams, actions, and objectives. So if I ask you, Rian, what is your success formula?
Passion. Wake up with passion. Be determined and being focused every day. You cannot succeed this activity if you are not passionate, you don't love people, you are not close with them, you don't take your time for them. Taking time with them is something natural. You do it without even waiting for someone to knock and ask for you. The success is, how can I say, like he said, Brian, when you are feeling successful, when you wake up and you feel yourself a success,
you have that state of mind.
You have it, you can attract it, and you can be successful.
The law of attraction. What about you, Magnus?
Well, as we all mentioned here, it's the passion, right? It's passion for different things, but support, helping people, of course, passion for your company. But of course, it helps also that we have actually the coolest products and the best opportunity there is out there. Timing is also very important. For myself, when I saw Crowd One the first time, I was ready. was I was hungry. I really want to do this. So for me, it's all in combination. And the perfect way to do it is here in Crowd One.
And last but not least, I mean, there's going to be an exciting launch of Mixter. And I heard that you've actually test tried this gaming platform. So let's start with the girls or the women. What was it like, Mixter?
It was easy to use, to log in. We had fun for some few hours. And it doesn't take a long time to be connected. It's streaming.
Yeah.
And I played soccer. I won.
Of course.
And no, it's nice product.
Yeah.
We have choice. Many games are already into the application, and that's.
I mean, it was a huge privilege, of course, to be one of the 3 that actually managed to try this product, and it's addictive. I can say like
It's
that.
addictive.
It's really fun. So, yeah, looking forward to a really good launch on that one.
Definitely. Et Brian, racontez-moi ton expérience sur le test de jeu de la plateforme Mixter.
Ben, ma grande surprise, on a pu effectivement le tester et c'est vraiment quelque chose d'énorme. Plusieurs jeux accessibles, des informations également et des challenges au niveau des jeux qui sont accessibles dessus. Donc comme le foot, ce type de jeux qui sont accessibles dessus. Donc je ne donnerai pas plus d'informations. Donc il faut être présent à au prochain événement pour assister à tout ça.
So we're all looking forward to Mixter. And if you would just give one piece of advice, just a short piece of advice to all of the amazing viewers online, what should they be thinking of, or what kind of traits should they be endorsing?
Again, repeatedly, we will say work with passion, but also listen and follow your leaders. And like you said, also log in every Sunday to watch Peter Jacobson's Sunday School, because they learn you a lot of things you can have a lot of in your work.
Education, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
The same thing also.
The same thing.
The same thing also, I will say. The training is really, really important to success of this business. If you just get on board without any knowledge about the ethic, especially ethic, the respect from each other, it's really, really important when you want to keep your team for a long time, for long term. Also being passionate, also testing product also. We are not only people to sell, but we are customers. First customer, of course, can use those products and test, so we can have a way to explain our prospect how we use it and how we feel it. So, and passion.
Passion, testing, be dedicated, have ambition, and above all, have fun, right? So thank you so much for joining the panel and for coming to Sweden today.
Crowd One, yeah.